everyone, welcome to my channel. My topic for today is tenses. So what are tenses? Let's understand. Tenses not only tells us the time of an action, but it also tells the state of an action or event. So let's see how many parts is divided into. Let's do a quick recap, then I'll tell you about the formulas of each tense. Now, first is the present tense. Present tense means at the time of an action, at the moment, and it is divided into four parts. That is present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. Let's move to the next one. That is past tense. Past tense means जो बीता हुआ समय, and it is divided into four parts. That is past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Then next one is the future tense, जो आने वाला समय है, and it is divided into four parts. That is future simple, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So it is divided into 12 parts, and out of that 12 parts, 8 parts we can make the passive, but there are 4 which we can't make the passive. Let's understand which one are those. So in the present tense, present perfect continuous we can't make the passive, and in past tense, past perfect continuous we can't make the passive, and in future tense we can't make future continuous, and future perfect continuous we can't make passive out of it. So in my next video I'll tell you about the formulas of the tenses. As I've already discussed about the parts of the tenses, now I'm going to tell you about the formulas of the different tenses. So let's start with the first one. First one, present tense. So what is the formula for present tense? Is subject plus verb first form. V1 we say plus S or ES plus the object. Like Ram killed Ravana. So this is for simple present tense. Second one is the present continuous tense. Continuous tense means any action which is still continuing, and the formula will be subject plus ism are plus V1. V1 means verb's first form plus object, right? Ram is playing cricket. Now present perfect tense, subject plus has have plus V3, verb third form plus object. So let's go to the next one, that is present perfect continuous tense. The formula will be subject plus has have plus been, B-E-E-N plus V1 plus ing and plus the object. So the simple present tense we have already done, and next we move on to the past tense. Now the past tense, which is divided into four parts. That is, let's do the first one. This is past simple. So what will be the formula for the past simple? This will be subject plus V2 plus object. For continuous, it will be subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing and plus object. And past perfect, subject plus had. Remember, plus had plus V3 plus object. Now for past perfect continuous tense, it will be subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object. So I hope you have understood this, and let's move to the next one, that is future tense. For future simple, it will be, the formula will be subject plus will shall plus first form plus the object. And future continuous, subject plus will be plus V1 plus ing and plus object. And future perfect, subject plus will have plus V3 plus object. And future perfect continuous tense, subject plus will have plus been plus V1 plus ing and then object. So in all of these, in all the continuous tenses, we use ing form. So in this way, you can frame sentences and you can identify the sentences. So I hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll come up with some more sentences with the tense topic. Thank you everyone.